Hey guys, how's it going? If you have a problem in ChatGPT and they're not responding to your questions, refresh the page. Make sure that you close the window and reopen the ChatGPT again. Okay. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi that you have a stable connection. Sorry. And if you still have the problem, click the two lines at the top, and then go ahead to your name or your account at the bottom. Click the three dots next to your name, and then you can go ahead and hit log out and then log in again, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, clear your cache. Right? Go back to your screen, and then go ahead to the settings and go to the general, then iPhone storage. All right, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna try to pin down ChatGPT. All right, I'm gonna try to pin down ChatGPT. Where is it? Yeah, right here. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna upload the app, and by uploading the app, you're gonna release some of the unnecessary data or files within the app. If you're using the app and facing that issue, you can go back to your screen and then go to your browser and just try to use ChatGPT from your browser, and that should fix your problem. Sometimes the server might be busy, so try again later in a couple hours. Okay, and this should get things back on track. So let's write on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.